Hello friends, today's topic, in future small caps become larger, question mark. View this report without faith. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Stocks are broadly classified as large caps, mid caps and small caps and micro caps. Although there is no specific definition of these, for the sake of clarity for mutual funds, SEBI has prescribed the following. Rank based on market cap. Top 100 is called large cap, 101 to 250 mid cap, 251 to 500 small cap. It is usually assumed that small companies become medium sized and then become large companies. Similarly, medium sized companies are expected to become larger. The statistics is as follows, and you may be amazed looking at it. How large cap stocks performed in 2014 to 2024. Year 2014, large cap 100. Year 2024, large cap remained large cap 78, became mid cap 17, became small cap 4, became micro cap 1, total 100. Now, how mid cap stocks performed in 2014 to 2024. Year 2014, mid cap number was 150, and year 2024, it became large cap 19 or 13%. It remained as mid cap 75, that means 50%. It became small cap 35 or 23%. It became micro cap 21, that means 14%. So all people who thought that the mid cap is going to become future blue chip and large cap are amazed looking at the statistics, and that's why this particular video is being created. Now coming to how small cap stocks performed in 2014 and 2024. Year 2014, small cap number was 250 and it became large cap only 3, that is 1.2% of the total. Mid cap became 43, 17.2%. Small cap remained a small cap only, 112 out of 250, that means 44.8%. And the small cap becomes a micro cap 92, and that means 36.8%. So you may be amazed that the small cap should have become mid cap or large cap, but many of them became micro caps. Now coming to the statistics of micro caps in 2014 and 2024. Year 2014, micro cap more than 500 shares were there. Now category, none of them became large cap, 15 of them became mid cap, that is 3%, 99 of them became small cap, that is 19.8%, and micro cap more than 386, that means 77.2% of stocks which were micro caps remained micro caps even after 10 years. Observe the figures carefully. You will realize that there is a higher probability of a large cap staying a large cap since it may be a sector leading company. On the other hand, smaller companies may stay small or may become smaller compared to them rising to mid cap or small cap. So if you are investing in direct stocks which are especially smaller micro caps, then you need to be extremely careful and also be sure that you have selected good companies. Otherwise, there is a high chance that your small company may become smaller and you will incur losses for taking the additional risk. You may achieve more success through mutual funds investing in small cap stocks compared to directly investing in small cap stocks. So be aware of the data before you invest in smaller companies next time. End of the video, here is a question. The SEBI chairman Madhavi Buch is the first person from the private sector to become chairperson. Where was she working earlier? There are 4 choices. A. HDFC Bank, B. Motilal Oswal, C. ICICI Securities, D. Reliance Group. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.